Proposition 16. I propose that successive collision theory offers more observational evidence to explain the cosmic event we call our Big Bang than if all the source matter and energy of our Big Bang originated from a singularity. I intend to show that far too many observations we have made about our universe point to successive collisions at high speed, as opposed to all the matter that makes up all we can see originating from inside a small condensed area. The evidence supporting successive collision theory includes harmonic galactic inclinations and axis of rotations, harmonic axis of rotations of quasars, 50-50 split between clockwise and counterclockwise rotations, supervoids and superclusters, missing black holes, missing stars, and red transients, lower starting temperature and larger starting area, galactic diversity, and faster-than-light inflation. Our visible universe formed when two immense pockets passed through each other at unimaginably high relative speed.